Hey, what's up army? So for today's videos, I'm going to open my BT21 that I ordered online. So here it is. So come on armies, let's open it. I'm so excited. Here, a Shopee eye mask. It's so cute. Next we have cookie eye mask also. So cute. Then we have here, I don't know, it's a pencil case or, but it's cute. And I have here my Shopee wallet. So cute. And the last, oh, here it is. Another one. This one. So cute. Next, what we have here, a color something. It's a Shopee makeup bag. It's so cute, armies. So that's all. So here they are, my BT21 merch. So that's all for today's armies. So for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more video updates. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.